Hello, Mike Kroger here. In this short video, we're going to cover one of Finale's financial features called consolidations, which are really just summarized ledger transactions. So let's dig in. So on the home page, under the accounting section, you'll see consolidations. So let's give kind of more of a, a, a general term for what a consolidation is. Consolidation is something that you configure and turn on in Finale. You elect to turn them on by sales source. A sales source is something like Shopify, Amazon, eBay, or maybe business to business. You can create your own sales sources that are also maybe not the same as like an e-commerce channel, but you elect to turn them on per a sales source. You also elect to turn them on for a frequency. So the consolidation frequency would be something like take all of my sales that I ship in a day and I want to make them all into one consolidated transactions. Or you may elect to say, I want to do it once a week or once a month. So you set up the consolidation, you set it up per sales source, and you set it up per some frequency. And then you can elect to understand how this is going to work. So as we look, if you see here, I've got 2 transactions for yesterday and 2 have started for today. These are remaining here just in case I want to review them. And we have a policy you can either set these to auto post, so they'll auto move from a draft state to a posted state for you if you would like that, and they do that 24 hours post frequency. So, or you can elect to be in full control and you will put them in the post when you're ready. But let's dig into one of these. So as you look into one, if I look into Shopify sales for yesterday, I can see there's a sales entry or income, and there's also a COGS entry. So these two are 2 different transactions. I'll get it booked to the ledger. If we click on it, you'll see that this is going to make $154 entry into my general ledger or be also transmitted into QuickBooks. So you can look and review the individual transactions that went into this consolidation. So you know that it was covering these sales. I can even go to a specific sale to see that this shipment was actually consolidated into which consolidation. So it's easy for reconciliation purposes. But let's go back to consolidations. So this is what happens. Now, once they get posted, they of course will show up in the ledger. So I've got some here from previous days. If I go back and look at this one, you can see that it has much more transactions for this day. So we end up making one transaction right here instead of having multiple transactions for that day. So you can see that's how they're going to show up in your QuickBooks or in your general ledger. Now, if you want to know how these get these configured, you just go up into application settings and you can go into accounting, and then you will see there were sections here under consolidations where you choose the sales source. Remember, each sales source can be consolidated or not consolidated and be chose to consolidate by day, by week, or by month. So you choose the frequency, and then you can choose whether or not they get auto posted or whether they don't get posted, meaning you have to review them. So that's our new feature in a nutshell. We hope you enjoy.